Hi guys, David here. I've got a brand new channel and it's taking me some time to actually think about what I want this channel to be about. And now it's occurred to me that this channel is going to be about me becoming a profitable trader. You see, in the past 5 years, I've been trading for 5 years. I've kind of been a break even to mildly losing trader pretty constantly. So now this channel is about changing that. I'm going to be exploring new indicators. I'm going to be exploring profitable strategies. I'm going to be back testing them. I'm going to be looking at mindset and risk management and all that sort of stuff in the effort to actually become a profitable trader. Now, if you have been in a similar situation where you have not been profitable but you want to be, then this channel might be for you. So please like and subscribe, and hopefully some of this information, some of these videos I put together may be of use to you. If you want any examples of where I've been trading wise, I'm going to put up some of my FX book charts and you can see for yourself where I've been. I've tripled accounts, I've blown accounts. Have a look, see if you want to improve. I certainly am not happy with my success, so hopefully you can learn from it and become a better trader.